Did you know that if you rob somebody's purse on the street, you could get up to 6 years in state prison? But if you beat up your wife, the maximum punishment is 4 years state prison? Comment below if you think that's fair. Regardless, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel, but before we proceed, I'm going to say hi to Sarah Hamilton, who's watching us on our Facebook page. Let's see here. I was accused of assault with a baseball bat. I'm innocent. How can I defend myself? Well, first of all, how did it happen? It really matters a lot, because let's say somebody was beating you up and then you just took the baseball bat and you swung it at them just to keep them off of you. That's really not much of a problem. However, let's say somebody's trying to beat you up, you hit them to get them off of you, but then you keep hitting them once they're defenseless. Well, if you do that, you're going to be charged with assault with a deadly weapon. That's going to be a violation of California Penal Code Section 245A1 that carries up to 4 years state prison. Or let's say somebody was attacking you with a knife and you hit them with a baseball bat to keep yourself from getting cut or worse. Well, that would be self-defense. Remember, when it comes to self-defense, you have the right to use the minimal force necessary. The minimal force necessary to avoid that you yourself suffer harm. Remember, you have the right to use including deadly force to avoid suffering serious bodily injury or death. But generally speaking, it's sort of an eye for an eye type thing. You have to use the minimal force necessary to avoid suffering harm. It also depends on circumstances. Is this person much bigger than you? Much smaller than you? All that is sort of a case-by-case basis that needs to be analyzed by both the DA's office and the defense to determine whether or not this was actually a fair thing. But remember, you do have the right to use physical force to keep yourself from suffering additional injury. It just depends on the circumstances. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, law offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who was arrested for driving under the influence and without a license. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.